Over the past 50 years, development in Ontario, whether commercial or residential, has boomed, allowing the national population to increase by an average of 320,000 people per year. That said, urbanization has allowed the populations of some species, such as raccoons and squirrels, to boom at the expense of other species, such as red-headed woodpeckers and monarch butterflies. While we can't change the past, we can alter our ways from now to avoid extinctions of certain species while controlling the populations of others in the future. Today we are going to discuss the developmental plans of Living Springs, which is an area about 6 kilometers north of the town of Fergus. Historically, this area has been home to many species, including the aforementioned red-headed woodpeckers and monarch butterflies. In fact, within 6 kilometers of this area, there are two distinct conservation areas, namely the Bellwood Lake Conservation Area and the Elora George Conservation Area. However, in Fergus, with the new development, these two species have been dying off and are being replaced by non-native species, such as raccoons and squirrels. Just in Toronto, there is an average of 50 raccoons per square kilometer. In order to protect the monarch butterfly, we have implemented a program in which for every 15 acres of development in the area, there must be at least 1 acre of a plain field with designated milkweed plant greenhouses, which the butterfly relies upon. The greenhouses also have to be within 3 kilometers of the developed area. You can support this initiative by avoiding trespassing on the allocated milkweed farms and by donating to the IDK fund available at idk.com. The second initiative is to protect the red-headed woodpecker population levels. These birds avoid birdhouses and tend to settle on utility poles, which unfortunately poisons their eggs. Thankfully, RealPAC, CHBA, and the CREA have agreed to develop and maintain the Lauren Leibel Construction Park. By frequenting this park, and by paying the entrance fee, you will help support the red-headed woodpecker population in Living Springs. Lastly, to control squirrel and raccoon population levels, we ask that you do not feed any of them, as it encourages them to settle here and increases their population levels. If you see this species, please call 927-742-6347 and the local government will dispatch a removal squad free of charge. Thank you, and we look forward to seeing you in Living Springs.